Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a SolidWorks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Guys, today discuss here a spring design. Okay, and this is a final shock absorber. Okay, this product is a final shock absorber, and this use a spring. And how to this spring is designed here, and this is a part 2 and part first is already upload here, and this is a very useful and helpful and how to this body is easily learn here. And guys, this is a spring design. Okay, and use this is a front view and top view and right view, and all point is a 2D drafting is available here, and this is isometric view. Okay, and this final product is shock absorber, and this shock absorber is very useful and helpful product. And okay, how to this body is designed easily and clearly today discuss here. And okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay guys, okay, this is a drawing here easily and clearly, and this point is very useful, and this cutout is also very useful. Okay, this body is a how to this body is designed easily and clearly today discuss here. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first drawing a part, and some important point is set here plain white, and going to this document properties, and image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay. Okay, this 2D drafting is also available here, and this distance is 15 millimeter, means this is center to this distance, this circle, and this circle is drawing here this diameter is 7.25 millimeter, and this cutout is this, and this cutout is upper side and this lower side is cutout. Okay, at first select a plane is front plane, sketch, normal. Okay, and a line is drawing here, this to this, a straight line is drawing here, and some distance is mentioned here 99.9. okay, and this distance is okay, this is a perfect and this distance is not mentioned here, but this distance is a missing point, but this length is a 99.9. and okay, exit, and again select a front plane and normal. Okay, and draw a circle. This circle is drawing here this. Okay, and this distance to this point to this is a 15 millimeter, and this radius is a 7.25 millimeter. Okay, and this point press a control button and select this point, a line is a horizontal. Okay, this is a fully defined. This is a black color, means this is a fully defined, and this diameter is 7.25 millimeter, and this length between this center to this origin point is 15 millimeter. Okay, and this is a correct 15 millimeter to this origin point to this center point distance 15 millimeter, and this diameter is 7.25 millimeter, correct. And also exit, and some important point is use a swept boss base. Click here, and first is this profile is select here, and second is this path. Okay, but a spring is a design, and then going to option, and option is this is a very important, and profile orientation is select here a flow path. Okay, keep normal, but this is a flow path is correct. And profile twist is a specified twist value Okay, this is a perfect. And twist control means this is a revolution. This is a very important point is learner. And twist control is this select a revolution. Okay, and this revolution is a 6 turns. And also this use a turn, this use a turns and revolution is same, and this turns is a 6 turns. This okay, and okay, all is perfect and select okay. This preview is showing here, and okay, this is a perfect. And this is a very important, this is a very important 6 turns means this is a turns is this rotate, and 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, this is turns is 6. And also 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, this is a perfect. And this is a revolution and turns is perfect. And okay, all is perfect. Click OK. Okay, this is a perfect. And next is some cut here, and cut here this and back side is this. Okay, both is cut here. Okay, and select a plane is a top plane, sketch normal, and draw a circle. Circle is draw here any diameter is not mentioned here. Okay, and extrude cut is apply here. This cut is a remove, but the direction is a reverse direction. Okay, and click okay. This is a length 10 millimeter. Okay, click OK. This cutout is a you can show here. Okay, this cutout is perfect. And this cutout is very useful. And below side is also cut out. Then also use a top plane is top plane, and select a reference geometry and use a plane. Okay, and plane is a this is a very important, and select this is a okay, this is a point and perfect. And this vertex is a select here and click OK. And also select this plane, sketch normal. Okay, okay, this plane is a this plane, sketch normal. Okay, and draw a circle. Circle is this, and use a extrude cut is also this but this direction is also reverse, and all is perfect. And this thickness is 10 millimeter, and click OK. Okay, both cutout is also perfect, and this is a perfect. Okay, and upper side and lower side both cutout is perfect. Cutout, and some material is apply here, and this is a painted, and painted is a use a car. Okay, and also color is a use here, and select color is blue color is perfect. Okay, this color is a perfect. This color is very nice looking here, and also this is a perfect. Okay guys, all point is learn here easily and clearly, and select isometric view is this. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is discussed here easily and clearly. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.